for the Security Committee agreed on one item, and that is, I think, number 4 in their documents. And as for the rest, they are still working on it. They have not agreed, but the process is still underway. As for the Governance Committee, in fact, this is where the whole thing is. This is the committee. If all the issues are resolved therein, definitely we would have concluded the agreement. So far, the parties in the governance cluster are still far a little bit, but nevertheless, there is some hope of the parties coming together at a certain stage. So the Council of Churches declared to us that yes, despite the fact that some people may say that the talks have failed, to them the talks have not failed. They have actually broken some of the roadblocks that were obstructing the process, and that for the people of South Sudan to sit by themselves and talk, was a good opportunity. So they are requesting that the people of South Sudan should continue to talk alone, and in so doing they will be in a position to resolve most of their problems. So the leadership of the church decided to, I think they will report to the igad and to the mediators today, so that it is decided, because the last day for us is tomorrow, and if at all there will be any extension or not, this shall be determined in accordance with what will be decided by the igad's mediators.